And that is the same thing that will happen here, and that's every time a step happens, every time a frame passes, what's in the step event and some other events that also has that function will be executed. So inside of the step event, we'll go down to control, code, and choose execute code. And in here, we want to make the player move. So how we do that is that we need some input from the keyboard, so that if you press left, it'll go left. So for that we need if keyboard underscore check, and then we'll do vk underscore left. So now I'll just very quickly type it and then these curly brackets. And in here we'll do, so now, okay, paint really quickly. In Gamemaker, if you are having, let's see, yeah, it's pretty good. So you have probably seen this one in school, and you got the X here, I believe, and the Y here. So now in computer game development, in the computer, in general, it's the opposite way. It is like this. Still X here though, and still Y here. So, but it starts in the top corner. So what we want to do here is do Y X, sorry, minus equal to, let's see, how fast shall we move? Let's say 5. So now what this pretty much means, all of this is, if the keyboard, like make a keyboard check and VK left. So now what we could do here is equal true, but it does that all by itself. It says if this check is equal to true, then do whatever's inside of these curly brackets. So here we say take the x coordinate of the object one.step, or object underscore player.step, and minus it with 5, so that we'll move left since it is looking like, oh crap, since it is looking like this, X and Y, and so this will be, we could do like this, and there'll be minus, minus, and plus, and plus. So that'll make him go backwards, kind of, or well, to the left. So down here we need another one. It'll be if keyboard underscore check, and then VK underscore right. And well, yes, you have probably guessed this, and in fact, try and do the rest by yourself, and just pause the video here because I'll move on. But you try and see if you can figure the rest out for yourself. Okay, so we'll move on, and this will just be x plus equal 5, since it's the opposite. Right is the opposite of left, so instead of minus, here instead of minus, it'll be plus. And then once again, if keyboard underscore check, VK underscore down, then do Y, let's see here, it'll be plus equal 5. And if keyboard underscore check, VK underscore up, then curly brackets, Y minus equal 5. And if you want to use, let's say, WASD, what you would do in here would be ORD underscore, I believe, let's see what that was left, so that'll be A. But oh crap. I believe that these would have to be within, yeah, like this. But I'm not completely sure, I've forgotten that. But I believe that's how you do. So, but we'll do vk_left because that's easier for right now. And so now when we start up the game, I believe, oh yeah, we haven't got any room. You'll have to go ahead on this button right here and create a room. And go to objects and place our object right there. And you can choose background color and things like that. So let's make a green background color. And run the game. You can also press F5 for that. And just writing all the junk. And so now when we press the buttons, we move around, and you can also move, like, there are different, I mean, yeah, that's 8-point movement. So yeah, now we can move around the game. I'm not quite sure what to do with the next tutorial. I think, since we do have a quest, see why doesn't it make it there we go, object player. Since in our create event we do have a quest 1 equal false, so I guess we'll create the very first quest, and that'll be your introduction to if-else statements as well. So yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial. You now know how to get user input, and I will see you guys next time.